Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the Nest doorbell is powered and reachable. This prevents interrupted resets. Open the Google Home app and sign into the same Google account that manages the device. Once done, note the device serial and firmware version so you can restore settings later. If the doorbell is battery-powered, leave it on charge. If wired, confirm power is stable. Finally, position yourself at the doorbell so you can press the reset button or remove the cover to access it. Now, perform the reset. Press and hold the button for the time Google specifies, usually 10 to 20 seconds, because a short press may only reboot. Make sure to watch the LED. Steady or flashing codes mean progress, and the Google Home app will show the device as offline then resetting. Choose Factory Reset if you want to remove all settings, or a network-only reset to keep local preferences. Once the light and app confirm reset, give the camera a full reboot cycle before reconfiguration. After reset, re-add the Nest doorbell in Google Home. Tap Add Device, scan or enter the serial, then follow the Wi-Fi and permission prompts. This step restores connectivity. Make sure to update firmware immediately and test live view, motion alerts, and recordings to confirm normal operation. If things go wrong, try a power cycle, confirm your router supports the required Wi-Fi band, and attempt the setup from a different phone or account. If persistent failures happen, contact Google support with the serial and error codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.